Good day, boys and girls. We're going to be going over your Chapter 4, Divide by a Two-Digit Divisor, Check My Progress Study Guide, Lessons 1 through 3. All right, so for the first two questions, we're asked to estimate and show how we estimated. I'm going to write these a little bit larger so that we can see. For question number 1, here we go. All right, I see that I have 84 as my divisor and 563 as my dividend. 8 and 56 are compatible numbers. So I'm going to change my problem to 80 and 560. Now, I could say that I rounded because 4 rounds 84 to 80, and the 3 can round 563 to 560, okay? All right, now, 80, now this is what I do. I cover up, 80 cannot divide 5. 80 cannot divide 56. Now, I cover up the last digit in both numbers. 8 can divide 56 7 times. So off to the side, I write 80 times 7. I hope I said the word 7. 7 times 0 is 0, and 7 times 8 is 56. So that will work. 560. Okay. So my estimate equals 7. And I'm going to write estimate just because I want to make sure that everybody knows that it's not the exact answer. All right, question 2. We have 388 divided by 27. Now, this is supposed to be an estimate, okay? So this is definitely going to be a rough estimate. And I'm going to actually write this down this way. I'm going to round 27 to 30, okay? Now, my issue here is I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, okay, rounding this to 300 really is rounding it down by a lot because this is much closer to 400 than it is 300. So that kind of really is not an accurate estimate at all. So I'm struggling with that. I mean, I really could have 30, and now I have to think of another, maybe I can think of another number that would be close to that. What are the multiples of, so I have 27, then I have 30, I could make it 33. I could do that. Okay, I would say that would be better. 3, 3, 0. How about that? That would be even better. At least that's closer to 388. Okay? So 30 goes into 3 0 times. It goes into 30 1 time. And 1 time. Okay? So the estimate would be 11. Okay? Now the idea for an estimate is that you can do it in your head, which I could do this in my head. So that would be my estimate. So for an estimate, you really do want it to be kind of close to the answer. Okay? I just wrote this out so that way you could see it. So I would say about 11. But we're going to say that you'll have a lot of leeway on this question. Okay? All right, next, divide. Check your answer for reasonableness. All right. So question number 3, we have 198 divided by 11. 11 is not able to divide 1. it can divide 19 one time. 1 times 11 equals 11. I subtract and I get 8. I bring down the 8. 11 is able to divide 8 times. 8 multiplied by 11 equals 88. And I have 0 as a remainder. So our answer is 18, and that's an exact answer. Question number 4. (210) divided by 14. 14 is not able to divide 2. It's able to divide 21 one time. 1 multiplied by 14 equals 14. I have to borrow to subtract. 7. Bring down the 0. Okay. Now, 14 can go into 7. Let's try 5 times. 14 times 5. 0, 2, 5, 6, 7. 7. 5 times 14 equals 70. And that's 0. Okay, so we have 15 as our answer. Question number 5. 461 divided by 49. 49 cannot divide 4. So we're going to write a 0 in the quotient. 49 cannot divide 46. So we write a 0 in the quotient. 49 can divide 461. We're going to cover up the last digit in each number. Now, 4 can divide 46 10 times, but I cannot fit a 2-digit number here. You can only put a 1-digit number there. The largest digit that can go in here that is closest to 10 would be 9. So I'm going to try 49 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 4 is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. And that will work. 441. I'm going to write a 9 in my quotient. I subtract. 1 take away 1 equals 0. 6 take away 4 equals 2. So I have 9 remainder 20. So I'm going to write 9 remainder 20.